What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some new products that I'm going to be using with my rice water wash day routine. As y'all can see, I haven't been doing much rice water wash day videos because I haven't washed my hair in like who knows how long. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some products that I'm going to be trying when I do take out this style. Hopefully tomorrow, if I do find some time, I'm going to wash my hair and do my rice water routine, and I'm going to be using these new products. So I just wanted to share these products with you and give you something to look forward to when I try these products in my natural hair. I know they're going to be great because these are brands that I already tried in the past, but they just have like a new line or whatever, so I'm just going to be trying them out. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Okay, so y'all already know that my favorite brand for shampoos is the Hask, and it is this one. I did use the repairing shampoo before, but I noticed now that they have the repairing shampoo with coconut oil, and the bottle is bigger for like the same price. Well, I lie. The bottle is bigger for a little bit more money, because before when I bought it, it was like $4 and change, and now I think I bought it for like $6 and change or $7 and change. So yeah, the price has definitely increased. Isn't it weird? Does that only happen to me? But like when I start to buy something, like it's either they stop selling it or the price increase, or every time I go in the store, other people buying the same exact thing. Like, ain't nobody was studying Hask before. Now all of a sudden, the shelf clearing out. Like, so anyways, the one I tried before was the repairing shampoo. So I said this time I'm going to be trying the Nourishing Shampoo. Before that, I tried the thickening boost, the biotin boost. That one was good, but I preferred the repairing shampoo. So I'm going to be trying the Nourishing Shampoo to see how that feels. I think this is going to be great, and I just like that it's a bigger bottle. Whatever products I use on my hair, I use them on my clients too, because if it works good on my hair, then I use it on my clients because I know it will work good on their hair. So I'm going to be trying these out. I also purchased the Hask Coconut Oil Nourishing Conditioner. This is another one that I know is going to be good. Like, I've been using these for years, okay? Years. This brand, I've been using it for years. It is free of sulfates, parabens, gluten, drying alcohol, and artificial colors. Whew. Oh my gosh, the scent is divine. It smells so good. Y'all don't even know. It smells so good. It smells so good. It smells so good. And another product that I love, that I also use on my clients too, is this black castor oil with jojoba oil. Is hair food. Ask me why when I go in the store only like 2 left. All the other ones, all the aloe vera, all those ones still on the shelf. But the one that I like to buy, that's the one I stopped. Y'all need to stop buying my stuff, mama. But this one is my favorite. It does wonders in my clients' hair. They love it when I put it in. I love it when I put it in my hair. It feels so good. So if you haven't tried this, definitely go and check it out. It's the Salon Pro Jamaican Black Castor Oil Formula with jojoba oil, hair food, hair and scalp nourishment. And it smells good, okay? Oh, yeah, it smells great. And the next thing I'm going to be trying in my hair is Y'all know I love Blue Magic, and y'all know my hair love Blue Magic. So I saw this Blue Magic Indian hemp, and it's made with green tea leaves, jojoba, aloe, and safflower. So I'm like, herbal hair and scalp conditioner. It look good. It look good. It look good. It smell good. It smell like something I already used before, but not in Blue Magic brand. I think I used it before in, I don't know if y'all ever see like a tub with like, it's white. The whole thing is white with a couple writings on it. It looks like this. And I used it before and I loved it. Like my hair loved it too. My hair stayed moisturized. So I said, I'm going to give this a try, and I have a feeling it's going to be great. So this is one of my products that I'm going to be using for the next few months, because y'all know I don't change my products often. Like if I find a product that I love, I just keep using it over and over and over and over and over and over. I might change, I might try a different type, but it's pretty much the same brand and the same kind of stuff. The next thing I wanted to try, I saw it on one of the videos, but I never, I never bought it. It's the Nothing But Melted Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner to soften and detangle hair. Of course, it's free of everything bad. So I said, let me give it a try. It says to apply a dime size amount to clean damp hair. Make sure to evenly distribute. Now you are ready to blow dry. I blow dry my hair. So yeah, so this is how it's looking. It's looking nice and creamy. Okay. Looking like ice cream. Let me see how it smells. Smell good too. Listen. Tomorrow when I wash my hair, right? Tomorrow when I wash my hair is going to be looking cute. My hair is going to be looking great. I'm going to try to do I think I'm going to do a braid out or a twist out. I'm not sure, but what do you think? What do you think I should do? A braid out, a twist out? I don't know. So I might do a braid out. I am leaning towards doing a braid out. Maybe I might do a twist out next, but I don't know. So I might do a braid out. So stay tuned for that. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. These are the products that I'm going to be using for the next few months. These are the products that I'm going to be using in my hair. Pretty much the only products, because I try not to use too many different products in my hair, because then I won't really know what's working and what's not working. So I kind of stick to just a few at a time. Yeah, and that's been working for me so far. So yeah, stay tuned. I have a rice water wash day routine video coming up. I have my braid out video coming up, and I also have me trying out these products and giving you my honest review on them. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers. Thank you so much for everyone who has been truly supporting my channel. And I know I haven't been able to go on your channel as often as I need to, but guess what? Your girl gonna be catching up, okay? Because Monday is a holiday and I'm gonna be catching up on y'all videos. I'm gonna be clicking on you. So if you left a comment in my recent videos, I'm definitely going to be checking out your channel, because I truly appreciate you guys, and I definitely want to support you back because you support me. You check. I mean, it's only right, okay? Now, if your comments going in spam, that means you didn't watch my video, okay? That means you clicked on my video and you just left a comment and you clicked out. So your comments direct goes to spam. When your comments go to spam, how you think that'll make me feel? How you think I feel when I find out you ain't really watching my video, you just dropping comments quick? I'm busting off. How you think I feel? I don't feel good, okay? So y'all just stop, okay? Because I get a lot of spams with these little short comments. Nice, good, very good. Anywho's, thank you anyways. Thank you still. I truly appreciate it. But you're going to spam, and if it goes to spam, I leave it into spam and I deleting it in spam, okay? Just letting y'all know. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.